girls. So we are on a new letter this week. I'm so excited for this awesome worksheet. Look at the crown. I see some pictures, but it's important because we are on a new letter this week, and I'm going to actually write it in here. We are on letter W, and W says w, like a wagon, or wild. That's what I see up here. In W, you have a handwriting worksheet that you're going to do this week, but when you have W, it looks the same with our capital and lowercase letter. Down, up, but the lowercase letter is just a little bit smaller. Down, up, and you can see they look similar. So we're going to talk about a few things with our letter W, and first, I see this really big space up here. We know that we are going to write our name. So go ahead and write your name at the top. We know to use our black if we have one. Otherwise, pick a dark color. And capital letter for our first letter of our name. The rest is going to be lowercase. So take a second to write your name as nice as you can. I'm going to write mine a little bit bigger, but still using that nice space. Nice job. So take a second to finish that if you need to. Otherwise, we need to look at our worksheet. We have our new letter W, which says W. And I see a really big crown. This is called a wild thing king. Ooh, a wild thing king. That sounds like something fun. So I see a big crown, and here's our directions. We are going to do some coloring and some cutting, but we have a few steps to do before that. So it says that we are going to glue and find the things that start like watch, which starts with letter W, So first, count with Miss Fuchsa. We're going to count how many squares I see inside of this crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to need 5 pictures that start with our w sound. So at the bottom, I'm going to go a little bit in so you can see these pictures. You can see some pictures at the bottom. And before you do your cutting and organizing and gluing and coloring step, let's go ahead and talk about what these pictures are. I see a lot of them. I see more than 5. So let's start on this side, and you can point with Miss Fuchsa, or you can do your thumbs up if you hear a w sound, or a thumbs down if you hear a different letter sound. The first picture is a picture of a wagon. Ooh, wagon. Does that start with our w sound? Yes, wagon starts with W. Next, we'll see this picture a few times. Miss Fuchs's first thought, what is this a picture of? But it's actually a picture of a wig. So think about that. Does wig start with a w sound? Yes. Wagon, wig. Next we have pie. That sounds a little bit different. Pie. Does that start with a w sound? No, that starts with what letter, boys and girls? Pie. That starts with P. So we're not going to use that one, but we'll keep going through first. Then I see a whistle. Whistle. Good. That does start with our letter this week, W. This one, listen really closely, boys and girls. This one can kind of be a little bit tricky. So we want to hear our w sound. This is a picture of a ring. Ooh, ring. W. That does not start with a W. This one was tricky for us when we were on this letter, which is letter R. R says our sound like ring. We want it to say a W sound, so that does not start with W. We have 2 more. Let's see what these are pictures of. This is a picture of a window. Window. Nice job. That starts with W. And our last one is a picture, what do we think, of a whale. Nice job. It kind of looks like a dolphin, but for this, it is definitely going to be a whale. So let's see if we can find our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that start with W. So we know that wagon starts with W. Wig starts with W. Whistle. Window. And whale. Is that 5 things, boys and girls? Yes, nice job. So you're going to cut all the way across the top, like we know, all the way around the outside, and then you can cut on these lines to make your squares. Then you're going to organize, which means you're going to put those squares that start with W, into our crown. After, you're going to do your gluing. And if you don't have any glue sticks, if you just have a glue bottle at home, that's okay too. Gluing, and then you can do your coloring steps. So make sure even after you do your pictures and your background pictures or your background colors, then you could even go up here. Ooh, maybe you're going to make a fun pattern for your crown. Maybe you can do a pattern with 2 colors. Red, purple, red, purple, red, purple, red, purple. You can do a pattern with 3 colors. Maybe orange, blue, green, orange, blue, green, orange, blue, green. Or maybe you can pick a pattern with 4 colors. That would be crazy. But you can do it. Pick 4 different colors and you can make a pattern with the circles on our crown. And even color in the crown yellow or orange maybe behind those pictures. So new letter this week, letter W, which says our w sound. I cannot wait to see how yours turns out. Make sure to send me some pictures while you're working on these. Nice job, boys and girls.